Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soupy pasta using an easy method. First, select your favorite pasta shape, about 8 ounces, and have 2 to 3 cups of broth ready. You'll also need some aromatics like garlic and onion, and any other vegetables you enjoy. Ensure your pot is large enough to accommodate everything, as we'll be cooking it all together. This one-pot approach saves time and makes cleanup a breeze. To begin building flavor, heat a tablespoon of olive oil in your pot over medium heat. Add your chopped garlic and onion, sautéing them until they become fragrant, usually for about 2 minutes. Next, incorporate any other vegetables you're using, like diced tomatoes or spinach, and cook them for another 3 to 4 minutes. Finally, pour in your 2 to 3 cups of broth and bring it to a gentle simmer, preparing for the pasta. Now for the star of the show. Add your 8 ounces of dry pasta directly into the simmering broth. Make sure to stir it frequently, especially during the first few minutes, to prevent the pasta from clumping or sticking to the bottom of the pot. Continue to cook, uncovered, for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the pasta is al dente and has absorbed much of the liquid, creating that wonderful soupy consistency. Once your pasta is perfectly cooked and the sauce is just right, remove it from the heat. Stir in some fresh herbs, like parsley or basil, and about a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese for extra richness. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper as needed. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious, comforting soupy pasta. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.